Dulles International is one of 5 airports in the United States enforcing a new rule designed to prevent the spread of Ebola. Starting today, those airports are the only airports where flights originating in 3 countries in West Africa are allowed to land. Stephen Cheetah is live at Dulles to explain this new effort. Stephen?
Gordon, passengers here at Dulles welcome these new efforts to scrutinize and screen passengers from these troubled West African countries. But tonight they also are praising the CDC for announcing it is going to keep better track of passengers from Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea after they arrive here in the U.S. The Centers for Disease Control announced today it is adding to stepped-up screening of arrivals from Ebola hot zones. This after 3 people were rushed to hospitals in Chicago and Newark yesterday after showing possible symptoms. Now anyone coming from Ebola-stricken nations, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea, must provide email, phone number, and addresses, contact info so the CDC can track their health for 21 days after arrival in the U.S.
Because I just came back 3 days ago and I was screened from going out. And everybody is coming into a screen.
Damola Ariagba underwent screening. He believes it will be an effective way to keep the virus from spreading.
It's a very good idea because it would eliminate the spread of the disease.
Still, there are some travelers who think screening and follow-up are a waste of time. They believe a more effective method would be simply halting travel to the U.S. from Ebola-stricken nations.
You shouldn't let them in. It's far too risky. You know, it's not worth it.
Now, the CDC says that if anyone should test positive for the Ebola virus, it will then contact passengers who arrived in the U.S. on board the same plane as those eventual Ebola patients. Reporting live, Stephen Cheetah, ABC 7 News.
Thank you, Stephen. The man named to coordinate America's response to Ebola started his new job today. Ron Klain met with President Obama this afternoon at the White House. This comes as an NBC cameraman infected with Ebola was declared free of the virus, and 2 Dallas nurses battling Ebola are said to be doing well. Also, the city of Dallas says nurse Nina Pham's dog tested negative for the virus. The dog will be tested again before his 21-day quarantine ends.